Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete apps from your PC so you can free up storage space and keep your Windows system running smoothly in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Settings menu. The safest and most effective way to remove software in 2026 is through the official Windows Settings Hub, which ensures all related files are cleared out. Click the Start button on your taskbar and select the Settings gear icon. You can also simply press Windows key plus I on your keyboard to jump there instantly. Once the window opens, click on the Apps category in the left-hand sidebar. Next, navigate to Installed Apps. Windows 11 and 12 have consolidated all software, whether from the web or the Microsoft Store, into one master list. Click on Installed Apps at the top of the menu. Use the search bar to type the name of the program you want to remove, or scroll through the alphabetical list. In the 2026 update, this list now includes system components and web apps. By using this specific menu, you ensure that the uninstaller removes the app's registry keys and cache folders, which simply deleting a desktop shortcut won't do. Locate the app, click the three dots on the right side, and select Uninstall. And that's pretty much it. To delete apps from your PC in 2026, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find the program you no longer need, and click the three dots to select Uninstall. Following the on-screen prompts ensures the software and its background files are completely removed from your hard drive. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.